Good afternoon. Today we are going to be installing a full front grill kit on a new 2022 Polaris Pro R. So we're going to show you how that goes together. You're going to start with your side grills first. It comes with the actual grill, it comes with a backing plate, and then there's two extra long bolts that are going to sandwich the factory grill. We'll lay that grill in place, grab our longer bolts. You'll want to use a shallow 3/8 socket so you can get behind here. So I'm a little bit low, so I'm just gonna push up on it and adjust right where I like it. Okay, side grill is in. I've already previously installed the driver's side, so now we're just going to install the middle grill. Easiest way to do this, it's got two holes here that are going to mount it. You will align it, and then you will mark the holes on your front fascia plastic. Uses a spacer to space it away to get the right spacing that goes between the grill and the plastic, just like that. This can be a little bit difficult right here because you got to hold the spacers in there and without them falling while you position it, so that can be a little bit tough. There we go. And use it the same way, it's going into plastic, so just snug it. And that's your full grill kit.